Most common vegetable names: carrot, ninjin; potato, jagaimo; sweet potato, satsumaimo; spinach, horensou; cabbage, kyabetsu; lettuce, lettuce; broccoli, broccoli; cauliflower, cauliflower; eggplant, nasu; tomato, tomato; cucumber, kyuri; green pepper, piiman; onion, tamanegi; garlic, ninniku; ginger, shouga; radish, daikon; pumpkin, kabocha; mushroom, kinoko; leek, green onion, negi; asparagus, asparagus.